It's a finishing product, is it? No, you know, for last night.
You know, it's a boil on the pants. Yeah, and you're born there, you know. So we're gonna just make some breakfast and all. If we're gonna further into this, I want to thank you guys for the support for the past 3 months. Yeah, you know, the fried ice cream video got over 1,000 views. And I appreciate that. It's the most views video on my channel right now. And thank you guys for subscribing. And who not subscribe it, please tap a like on the video, subscribe and comment and tell me in the comment section what type of video you want next. If you want challenge, if you want more cooking, or if you want whatever you want, just name it. So just get into the video.
Alright, let's make some breakfast now. So never, sir. Not really talk much about it. Still, that's how we're just doing it right now. Only, everything else I'm gonna use. Everything.
This is how I dip the thing in now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use it and make some fritters. I'll just put some water in it. Mix it up. The same from use and dip the plant in them. I just have to use it. Same one I make some fritters. Thick and fast. Same thing with my other use. I did all of them together. I use the flour I use to dip the pan. Just put hot water, mix it out, fritters, the egg now. Just add tomato and sweet pepper, mix it out. In order to get it how I want it now, I have to continue fold. And put beans, I have to just continue fold. That's it. You get my egg there, so fritters, flatten. Too close.